Hello, everyone. Today I have got a super fun cardio to the beat workout to 60s music. It is knee friendly, low impact, senior friendly, beginner friendly. And you guys, this workout is perfect for those that, I really don't feel like working out, but I know I need to. This is the one because it doesn't feel like you're working out, but you are. So this workout, only 5 minutes long, it will get you into the workout zone, I promise you. And once you're done, if you feel up to it, just check out one of my other short segment workouts and just build upon this one because you guys, this one is it. And also, if you prefer or if you need to work out sitting down, I've got you there too. It keeps getting better. I actually also did a seated version of this workout. So check it out in the link in the description. And anybody that you know that needs to work out and they can't do it in the standing form, and you want to introduce them to moving their bodies and making them feel like that they can do it, and it's not really that taxing on their, on their bodies and what have you guys, then check out the seated version. That's what I'm trying to say, you guys. It is all that. And also, please do remember, in addition to working out, please do remember to hydrate and also eat nutrient-rich, high-protein foods. Check out my description where I have got some examples of some delicious, simple, easy, healthy foods that you can eat along with exercise. You guys, you know what? Enough talk. Let's get right into this workout. And before we go, if you are enjoying what you are finding here on this channel, you guys, then please do subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you be part of this community, you guys. And I thank you all so very much for the same. Without further ado, let's work.
Trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't I'm thirsty.